India is a board with a number of religions and ethnic groups that reside here in harmony. Recently, when the entire country was soaked in Ganesh Chaturthi festivities, examples of different religious communities celebrating and contributing to its celebrations were witnessed from different nook and corners of the country. Today, we will see two similar examples from Gujarat, where different religious communities contributed in Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations.
India has left the entire world spellblinded with its ability to be home to a number of different religions, cultures and ethnicities. Recently, when the entire country was soaked in Ganesh Chaturthi festivities, people of different religious communities were seen contributing to its festivities in many ways. In Surat city of Gujarat, Muslim artists were preparing a thermocol Ganesh Pandal on the model of Ayodhya's Ram Temple.
इस वक्त है ना ये राम मंदिर का काम मिला है तो हम लोग ने राम मंदिर का काम स्टार्ट करा है। हाँ, तो ये इसके अंदर ऐसा है कि हम लोग कोई हिंदू मुस्लिम नहीं मानते, हम लोग सब एक ही धर्म के हैं। तो हम लोग तो अगले बरस भी हम लोग ने सिंहासन के काम करे थे मंदिर के पीछे के बैकग्राउंड के।
Led by Ansari, 8 Muslim artisans worked for 10 nights straight to develop this beautiful thermocol replica of Ram Temple. Just like the Ram Temple in Ayodhya, the model has 174 pillars with 4 dome structures. This model will be placed at the Pandal in Surat's Arajan area, and the workers hope that everyone likes and appreciates their hard work and noble gesture. In another city of Gujarat called Navsari, members of a Parsi family in Pinjara Mohalla have been celebrating the festival since the last 15 years as a gesture of the religious bond shared between the communities.
जी, हमारे यहाँ पर हिंदू है, पारसी है, मुसलमान है और क्रिश्चियन भी है। क्रिश्चियन भी बॉम्बे से आते हैं हर साल यहाँ पर, मुस्लिम यहीं के और ज़्यादातर पारसी जो यहाँ से माइग्रेट करके एजुकेशन के लिए और जॉब के लिए जो बॉम्बे गए हुए थे, वो हर साल गणपति आते हैं, जब भी बापा की सेवा स्थापना तब यहाँ पर चले आते हैं 10 दिन के लिए।
At least 35 members of the Khambata family from Navsari and Mumbai come together for installation of Ganesh idol and stay there till the idol is immersed in waters. The Ganesh idol is made of clay from the banks of river Ganges in Kashi and is adorned with American diamonds from Surat. Pinjara Mohalla has a sizable Parsi population of around 250 people, and each year all the families of the area take part in this festival as a gesture of brotherhood and bonhomie. It is due to gestures and deeds like these that India stands united and undivided, and this bond of brotherhood and bonhomie is clearly visible to the entire world.